Manipur North East India Film Festival Lisingani Kunmari Pangthoklagani Festival asi Ministry of Information and Broadcasting gi Senthang Makada Thauna Manipur Amadi Film Forum Manipur na Setlinga ki Directorate of Information and Public Relations ka khusam naduna pangthokadabani ngasi DIPR Auditorium da pangthokpa pawgi mifam amada festival asigi Organizing Committee gi Chairman Yengkhom Nilachandrana phongdokhibagi matung inna Mamang Chahi Lisingani Kunhumdoigi January Amadagi December Kuntramathoi Fawagi Manungda Puthokiba Film Sing Festival Azida Yawu Yagani Loinana Best Production, Best Director, Best Cinematography Yauna, Screenwriter, Editing, Special Mention Amasong Special Jury Award Pigani Hairi Festival Azida Manipur Yauna Leba Asigi Awang Nongpok Lamda Leba State Impan Saruk Yagani Amasong Yauningba Film Sing Ngasidagi Hauraga Mathang Tha February gi Mapan Fawada Mari Lenaba Singda Pisilakadabani Hairi Kangalaba Film Sing February Kunda Lautokani Festival Asigi Mapung Oiba Thauram Mars Ahum Dagi Taret Fawba Pangtokani Hairi.
Our objectives for the festival are to promote the growth of a vibrant and inclusive film industry in the Northeast India, to support filmmakers and technicians with a unique vision, to promote artistic excellence and the creative freedom of artists, to draw attention to showcase our unmatchable traditional and cultural heritage through cinema. Northeast India Film Festival saruk yagadoriba akoi state singdi Northeast India gi state Nipan masida film thajilakpa amade entry tawbasina Northeast India Film Festival Directorate ama hangjare Manipur State Film and Television Institute MSFTI building akoi gi MSDFS ka hek thangnana leibuda akoi regulations and forms online the submit tawdabani adugi akoi website pijare